Guys, what's happening?
We
We are here. Green Lane. Fucking car just flew in. It's straight to Shannon's pub, guys. We got here before the fire brigade and before the ambulance. Luckily, the girl's alright. A girl went through. Bear Popo coming now, guys. And the car just flew straight in. Look at that, see that car behind me? Car flew straight in there, you know. Car flew straight into Shannon's pub, guys. I'll come past this way every day. A girl was driving it. She crashed straight into the pub. Luckily the girl's there, she's alright. Girl's there, sitting there. Nah, I'm just gonna send it. A bit later, yeah, I'm going YouTube. Yeah, you know, I'm filming this way. Oh, yes, bro. I saw you today, bro. This is my brother, bless my brother, bless, bro. Thanks for your good health, bro. Welcome, salam, bro. And everybody's alright. That's the main thing. Nobody's seriously hurt.